Hello children. Nowadays we experience some hot days, but I had listened the people of Delhi experiences dusty winds followed by the rain. When the temple of Badrinath reopened, I saw the priests who performed prayer were in woolen clothes. I understand the climate is not equal on all the places. Children, as you know, and imaginary lines, latitudes are drawn for the places lies on the same line or areas. Our country lies on the latitude 23.5 degree north and is called Tropic of Cancer. So our country, India, experiences the tropical monsoon type of climate. There are some of the elements: temperature, atmospheric pressure, and direction and velocity of winds and precipitation. These elements controlled and influenced by some of number of factors. These factors are latitudinal extent, altitude, Himalayas, presence of relief feature, influence of water bodies, prevailing winds, upper air circulation, and tropical cyclone and western disturbance. First one is latitudinal extent. India lies between the 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India and southern part and tropical belt to the equator and also surrounded by the water bodies. Our southern part already it is given here, surrounded by the water bodies. So the temperature is quite high in the northern part except altitude or mountainous area, and moderate in southern part due to the nearness of the water bodies. Second one is altitude. There is one phenomena: temperature is decreased with increasing height as mountains are higher than the places. So the mountains are cooler than the plains. The sun's rays are directly on the plains and slanting on the mountainous area. That is on the land it is direct rains, but slowly slanting on towards to the mountainous peak. So the hill stations such as Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Darjeeling are etc. remain cold, while the town and city experiences warm climate in some of the time according to the season. The Himalayas act as a barrier and protect India. They protect India from cold winds of western in winter and help in bringing the rainfall in summer from south westerly monsoon winds. Here it is, our country act as a barrier. Himalayas act as a barrier from westerlies. These westerlies, which winds comes from the Mediterranean Sea and also gives the rain from the which comes towards to the from the water towards to the land. It acts as a barrier. Next one, that is a presence of relief feature. Some relief feature, then temperature and air pressure, direction and speed of winds, and distribution of rainfall and shaping the climate of India. As Western Ghat and Assam receives heavy rainfall in summer due to the windward side. That is a Western Ghat. That is a wind comes from here and then give the rain. Some of the places it is said windward side and leeward side. Next point is influence of water bodies. Then India is surrounded by the water bodies: Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. These water bodies brings moisture in summer season and provide the rainfall. The coastal areas enjoy the same type of the climate. Okay, understand it? It is having the southern part. It is having the moisture and give the moderate climate in the coastal areas. Upper circulation, upper air circulation here. Jet stream in these areas. It is given as a jet stream. The height about 10 to 14 km. The subtropical pressure belt is the air circulation or the winds blow from west to east. The Himalayas act as a barrier in the path of jet stream which brings rainfall in winter season. In winter season we are having the some of the places the rainfall due to the jet streams. Prevailing winds, then the monsoon winds are the prevailing winds. These winds bring the sudden change in the season. The southwest summer monsoon bring rainfall. The northeast winter monsoon travel land to sea, so they do not cause rainfall in the winter. That is given the southwest and northeast. From southwest and that is the northeast. Okay, that is a comparison I am giving. The prevailing winds or the trade winds. Now here are the season in our country according to the monsoon type country. Then first is the summer season. March to May it is given the temperature is 41 to 45, nearly in some places 48 degree in the June. Okay, in this some of the month in the June. Then northern part of India experiences heat waves while the southern part experiences moderating type of climate because of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Next one, monsoon season from June to September. The hot, that is the hot days followed by the rainy season. It's high temperature. Due to the high temperature, the northwest part of the prevailing winds from the southwest towards to the trade. These are the prevailing winds trade towards to the that part. It is given the northwest part the prevailing winds. That is the prevailing winds comes from the one places and the southwest towards to the northern part of India. It means the low pressure towards to the high pressure. The winds comes from the low pressure towards to the high pressure. Southwest towards to the northeast. The rainfall in windward side because of Western Ghat. Next one is retreating monsoon, October to November. The monsoon winds of southwest brings to withdraw from the northwestern part of the, that is north part of India, and gives the place to northeast monsoon. That is the which winds, you can see here the winds which brings the water from southwest, it withdraws. Now here it is, it gives the rain. Now it trying to go back and then these winds comes and occupy the places. It is given, that's why it is given the experience. Okay, they withdraw and it takes time, and then for the 3 months that is a retreating, coming and some of the places coming and going, the clouds disappear, that the high temperature and high humidity which becomes very oppressive, then it was not bearable in some of the places, then high temperature and humidity is there in this retreating monsoon season. the winter season in December to February, temperature remain very low. And this one, in these days, are warm and nights are cool. In the hilly areas, they are having the fog and frost. They experience but the southern part, that is a moderating temperature. Southern part and coastal area, it has to be said, moderate type of climate. That is some of the Mediterranean Sea. From the winds comes from the Mediterranean Sea is also giving us the cool temperature in northwest part. But some of the places fog and cold, usually that is a 5 to 10 degree Celsius. But thereafter in the southern part they experience the moderate type of climate. Most of the year they are having the coastal area. It is said as a coastal area, that is the northwest part, southwest part, okay, northern area. It is